guys. I was just doing a little DIY project making my thrift bag, and I was filming a TikTok for it, and I was like, this would actually be a really fun YouTube video too. So I figured I would just start vlogging, but I did start it already, so I apologize. So I'll show you guys kind of the progress I'm at, and then I'll kind of do a time lapse for the rest of it if you're curious how I'm making this thrift bag. Just thought this would be a fun video, so I'll show you guys. Okay, so here's the setup we've got going right now. I've got my candle going. I've got the Great British Baking Show on the TV, although you can't really see it right now. And then I've got my bag that I'm working on. So this bag is an upcycled bag that had our sheets in it when we bought like our comforter from Target. So I'm upcycling the bag and I want to put Marissa's thrift finds on it. So I got these letters. They're from Michael's. And I had to buy 2 packs because I needed 4 S's. So I had to buy 2 packs just for the S's. So this is what I'm currently doing. First, I ironed my bag. It's just like a cotton bag. And then I went ahead with a pencil. I first marked halfway down and then halfway down the middle as well, just so I could be like super steady. And since I'm doing 3 lines of text, I did halfway up the first half, and then I'm gonna do halfway up the bottom half for the last line, and then the thrift will be on the middle line, if that makes sense. So like halfway up the whole bag and then halfway up the bottom bag. So yeah, I just used a tape measure to do that, and then I just used a book to mark my lines evenly because I actually don't own a ruler, believe it or not. So anyway, sit back and relax with me. These are iron-ons, so enjoy this little what's it called? Time lapse. Okay, so this is all laid out exactly how I want it. It took me some time to like count and make sure that it was correctly in the middle, but it looks good, I think so. By the way, the apostrophe I made with a J, the top of a J, because there were no apostrophes in the pack. Paul Hollywood's talking too much. Anyway, sorry, I hope you can hear me. But the pack says to cover with a thin cloth. It doesn't say to have it wet, so I'm hoping it doesn't need to be wet. I'm gonna go grab a rag that I have and then start ironing it on. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see my face, but I'm annoyed. I spent like an hour earlier ironing these freaking letters because I followed the instructions exactly on the pack. It even says right here, after you apply the heat, remove the cloth, flip the fabric inside out, iron again for 30 seconds, then peel away the transfer sheet. Well, I've discovered that doesn't actually work. The letters only stick if you take them off the transfer sheet first. By the way, Blake's watching Monday Night Football, so I'm sorry for the noise behind us. So now I have to go through again and individually take all of these letters out and take off the transfer paper to get them to stick, because that's the only way I got this S to stick earlier. So I'm not gonna record that because that's literally gonna take forever, but I'm hoping that this will finally work, because that was just forever. Okay, so you can kind of see the steam rising. So this is what I meant by don't touch it. Let it cool for a second, because it's definitely sticking right now with all that steam rising. And then we're gonna flip it inside out and iron the other side. But it's coming out so good, I'm so happy. All right guys, I just tested. They're on there nice and good. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip this inside out. Still gonna be gentle because I'm a little bit nervous. And we are going to, oh no! Shoot. Okay, we gotta redo this because some of the letters fell off. Dang it. Okay, I have an idea. The S is still a little wobbly, so before I flip it completely inside out, I'm gonna flip it like this and just do one word at a time and hope that helps. So let's give it a try. I feel like this is gonna help a lot because you know, the glue is like underneath the pieces, so I feel like this will help the glue really stay on. At least I'm hoping it does. And I'll do this for probably 20 seconds.
He kind of sits at 15 yards, and he's cluing the quarterback. And so there goes Palmer just running right by him. His hip turn wasn't very good.
Okay, I think that worked.
So
now we're going to do this word.
So Mathis, as I mentioned, he was a pro. Offense of the 77. 10-yard penalty.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
Johnson, after a 36-yard penalty on Damari Mathis on the previous play, the pass interference. And Zion Johnson right here, number 77, the right guard. That's the second time he's been called tonight for a hold.
Okay, I messed up the eye a little bit, but it's okay. It's okay. We're good. Okay, I think I can flip it inside out now. I'm gonna set up my TikTok.
There's a tendency just to grab, and that's what he did. It's a shame because that was a nice game, a really nice call and read by Herbert.
My favorite TikTok sound at the moment. Okay. Here we go. Spagliato. Prosecco. Oh, stunning. It came out so cute. I'm so happy with it. I'll model it for you in a second. I did mess up the eye slightly, but I feel like you can barely tell, and there's like a little bit of like a burn coming through, but I think that'll wash out, so it'll be fine. But I'm so happy with it. This took me so long to figure it out, but we finally did it, and I have so many extra letters, and I feel like I'm gonna put those on everything. But oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. Okay, what do we think? Am I pulling it off well? Can you just picture me in Goodwill? Just picking things up and putting them in my bag. My thrift finds. So cute. I love it so much. And now you can see while it's on me how actually like big it is. Like this held our comforter in it, and I just upcycled it to use for thrifting. So I love it so much. It's gonna be so cute for Goodwill. I know nobody's really gonna look at that, but it makes me happy to have a little Easter egg. Yay! Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. Let me know if you try this as well. I just think it adds like a really nice touch. And also when I do my thrift hauls, it'll be cool to be like, look what I got today with my cool bag. So I'm really, really happy. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!